So my friends, we're out here at Land's End in Chuburna at the Marina. We rented these kayaks. 500 pesos for 2 people. That includes your parking, 2 kayaks, life jackets if you want them. Me and Jen are the only ones that got life jackets. The water is pretty shallow right here. Some places you bottom out actually, but it does get deeper in spots, but it's pretty shallow for the most part. Got some shipwrecks here.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause
Smile.
I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the
Beautiful.
room. I know that time can heal it all.
Nice.
If you're patient and
Are you
soon,
growing a beard for
it can
winter?
all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but then it hurts me.
Every winter
I can
back
feel
home in
all of the
Canada I grow a
turbulence,
beard.
it's concerning.
Yeah,
I've
it
been
looks
searching
good. I
for
like
a
it. The
purpose.
salted
I hope
pepper.
it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous.
I like it. It looks good on you, the beard.
That's all I'm
Looks good.
learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man.
Oh, lots of little fish jumping.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do.
Make sure you guys are straight up there. Yeah, not very deep, I don't think. Oh, a little deeper here. Over my head, I guess. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can touch it. Yeah. Not too bad. Yeah. Not too bad.
Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist.
Oh yeah, I can see bottom here again.
So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay, you guys navigate through there and I'll follow you.
I'm not gonna give in.
Oh,
Take a last shot like the J
there's a rock.
I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me.
Another rock.
Nervous.
No, I bottomed out. Black. No, rock.
Giving up, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard. I'm hiding every card. I'm royal flush of bluff. You never know what's hard. With a back to the Mac and I see where
Straight
I'm
ahead,
at.
right there.
I'm mad. I'm a piece of the net.
Yeah, don't follow me.
See, I achieve everything while they stay salty.
Like just wedging between these 2 rocks here. There's some current here for sure.
The baby fish are born or whatever, and then they grow and then they go out. Is that here where the bull shark comes to breed their baby?
I think so, yeah.
No, because I read something like that. Yeah, they land them, but you can see all the flamingos over there going towards them.
That's where we're going. This is the flamingo. Nakia, some fires already? I wouldn't date Angie if she didn't clean bone.
Uh-oh, what?
This is the old road, I think, right?
Oh, is it? Probably, eh? It was an old bridge.
I saw a part of
I know you told your friend
Okay,
you're
yeah.
not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you
That
never
makes sense.
said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
All right, there's a flamingo over there. More flamingos.
As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
Yeah,
All of a
not very
sudden,
deep.
I don't look at anything the same way.
Yeah.
I build up of my thoughts sitting in an
Yeah.
ashtray.
Yeah, just a
I'm sorry
crocodile.
that
Yeah,
I'm so
that's right.
inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I can see the way you look at
I think
me,
next
such a
time I'll-
disgrace. I never really asked
I'll
to
take
be
the
brought
life
into
jacket,
this
but I'll
place.
just put it in the back. I won't wear it.
Baby, I have a taste, all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, wow, it's great. They got black tips, eh? Wow. You got a pink feather. All right, nice. That's good luck. That's got to be good luck. The good luck feather. Yeah, what's that right there? A stick or an alligator? Crocodile! No, it's a log. Big stick.
You're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
ya esa, ¿cómo se llama? Cricket. El sonido de. No, esa cricket.
Yeah, we should, absolutely, yeah. A pack a lunch. Bring some tacos.
In the middle of the mangrove.
Yeah, perfect.
That's all I was saying. She's like, why don't we do a picnic one day? I'm like, here? She's like, yeah, in the kayak. I'm like, okay, next time.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's why his head looks like a drowned rat. That's better. Oh, go ahead, eat it.
I already ate that.
Breakfast. Yeah, there's our picnic, yeah.
These guys are eating.
Oh, the flamingos. It's like a little baby clam. So just sushi. Ah.
And this is what they eat.
Okay. That's better without the life jacket, eh?
Yeah.
You're dragging yours. Yeah, it's getting too hot. I think I'll still bring one next time, but use it as a... Yeah, sit on it. Just to have it, right?
Yeah, I want to try and sit on it.
Yeah. Well,
I do that without standing up.
you can touch bottom here, really. Put your feet over the edge like me.
Oh,
You can get out. Well, maybe you're not your little tiny little legs, but... Okay, my friends, we had to do a portage. Little Cece's running free now. I got us lost for a few minutes.
maybe an hour.
Took the scenic route coming back. Going in for landing.
Salió. No pensé que le iba a traer yo, muchachos.
Wow, we really hope you guys enjoyed this little kayak journey with us. We're sure happy to bring you guys along. Thanks a lot, my friends.
Well, that's it. That's all, my friends. Thanks for following along with us today. We truly appreciate you all. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Adios, amigos.